Jeff's is primarily a metalworking business. It takes raw materials and converts those into finished components or products. With two lines mainly of business for those that we service, making products to their specification, where they own the intellectual property, and also we develop and make our own products which we then sell to the market through partners or direct to end users. In terms of the sectors, we work in the educational environment or market, where we will be making tables and products for the schools for the future and academies and so forth, through to retail environments where we're making point of display equipment and queue management system parts for various partners, through also to furniture, which is a primary industry that we've worked in since the origins of the company. Well, raw materials will arrive at the factory. On the whole, they'll then be converted and prepared into piece parts, so you'll create a family of components that will make the frame and the chassis, and potentially the baskets that will then be used to be holding the equipment that will be moved around within the trolley. We'll buy and procure outsourced components that will then assemble to the product, i.e. wheels, etc., and buffering to make them non-marking when they're moving around an environment, and then we'll assemble those products after they've been painted to make a finished item. The origins of the company are from High Wycombe. We go back to the early 70s, 1972, where my uncle started this business, and primarily servicing the contract furniture market, which was the primary employer or market that was being employed in the town. We've since evolved into lots of different sectors over the years with some changes, but that's where we started from. Our primary customer base nowadays is in the Midlands and to the south of the country, though we do export a certain number of lines to partners in Eastern Europe and also into mainland Europe, but mainly in the Midlands and the south of the country. Jeff's is based in High Wycombe because its origins started from here, and also our employees are all based around the local area, and this business is based around the skills that are in our workforce. And so that's the reason why we're based in High Wycombe. Also, we've got the ability to use the logistics and the networks of the motorways to be able to get products to our customers very easily and efficiently. As a place, it's a beautiful part of the world, and it's quite diverse. In terms of customer needs, more and more companies are now looking for UK manufacturers to support their requirements, as opposed to maybe looking to the Far East and to Eastern Europe, where the benefits of our flexibility ensure that they can have the best of both worlds in terms of quality and value, but also the ability to be able to get things at a reasonable price.
Wycombe Products is an engineering company. Started up originally to make security products, and we use all of our skills of engineering in a diverse range of products.
For example, British Telecom, we made security devices that fit inside the cash boxes for the old payphones. Our customer base is national really. We have a small sales abroad, but certainly UK-wide. Wycombe's based in High Wycombe originally because it was a very good centre of engineering. Everything that you needed to manufacture products or take a product from idea to manufacture was in High Wycombe, and it's fairly central in the UK, next to the major motorways to get around.
We set up this company in 1973. Making a range of products, all engineering based. There were tool suppliers, there were machine shops, there were everything. You could get everything in High Wycombe. It was a really good place. We've got a reasonable network of clients. So we start from very often a humble start of a job, and then grow it into something reasonable.